What is this planet? I don't know. We've never been here before. Maybe we're on the edge of the universe. Hey, cool. Let's see if we can find some aliens. Hey, the ground is moving. The planet's gonna eat us. We have to get back to the ship right now. Then let's get the heck out of here. Oh no, the control panel's not working. We're stuck in the middle of nowhere.
Hold on. Let me just give you a hand.
Yay! Yay! Yoo-ha! Woo! We're saved! It's a miracle!
No, it's just me, Captain Spirit, who can bend all matter to his will. I did it. I still got the power. Now I just need to make a cool costume for Captain Spirit. I gotta have a cool cape to fly. Good thing I have one. Mask or no mask? Secret identity or not? Yep, looks cool so far. Let's see. What about the armor? So cool. Should he be dark or colorful? Beware, Mantroid. Watch out. Captain Spirit is ready for battle. Hello, Saturday morning. I can do anything I want today. It'd be cool to shoot like that. It'd be cool to shoot like that. Airball. I should ask Dad to show me again.
Ooh, the shark stinger is looking for victims. Look out! Here comes the evil car! Ah!
That pedestrian better get out of the way. That was your last ride, Shark Stinger.
Yes, Captain Spirit saved us!
You'll never run over anybody again.
Dad took away my firecrackers when I blew up the garbage can last year. I wonder where he hid them.
At least the forest warrior protect me from the snow ghost. What kind of a Viking would I be? This isn't greedy, right, Santa? Plus, Dad will love that I want basketball lessons.
Chris, breakfast.
Okay, Dad.
I hope I can draw as good as Mom someday.
You can't win this battle, Noctarius.
It's already over, Power Bear.
Don't let Mantroid control you.
Nobody controls me. Mantroid is my leader, and he wants you to die.
Give up now. We don't have to fight.
You're not the boss of me, Power Bear.
You have amazing powers. Why don't you join our team?
Join Captain Spirit? Are you serious? He's my enemy.
Only because Mantroid brainwashed you. You can help the world with us.
Liar. Where were you and Captain Spirit when Mantroid saved my life? Huh? Good guy?
I'm sorry, Noctarius. We want to be there for everybody.
You're the enemy. Now take this.
Ooh.
Ow, my back. How? How did you do this? I can't move.
Captain Spirit, please come to my aid. I can't defeat Noctarius on my own. I can't. Captain Spirit. Release him, Power Bear.
Oh, yeah. Captain Spirit's got your back, loser.
He decided to spare you. That's a real hero. Now go back to your master.
Mantroid will get his revenge. For me.
Thank you for keeping me from the dark side, Captain.
Chris,
I could take over the town with this army. Or the world. Gotta have a super cape. Only Captain Spirit can wear it. I can feel the energy flow through me. I have the power. Okay, that's a good start. But now it's time to build the rest of my costume. This is Chris to the Flying Fortress. Come in, come in. Roger, I'm here. I hope so, Sky Pirate. What do you see up there? Have you spotted Snowmancer? Not yet. It's hard because of the storm. This is perfect cover for a Snowmancer sneak attack. Eye sharp. Keep me posted. Yes, sir. Roger that. Thanks, Sky Pirate. Over and out. I know you're out there, Snowmancer.
Chris, I mean now.
I heard you, jeez.
Do not make me come over there.
This sucks. It is time for my secret tattoo. Only my team will know what it means. It is time for my secret tattoo. Only my team will know what it means. I can take the pain. At least I don't have to use any needles.
I swear I'm gonna kick your ass if I have to come get...
Watch out, supervillains. Today I make my own superhero costume.
At you! God damn it.
If I don't go, Dad's gonna be super mad.
Hey, Chris, you better come to breakfast. You better come to breakfast when I holler at you, or else we're gonna have a problem.
But
Don't. This isn't a hotel, buddy. I got things to do. What'd you expect, a waffle?
I just like sunny side up. Like Mom used to make.
Yeah. Me too. But that's not gonna happen.
I know.
You can't keep saying, Mom used to do this or that. I know more than anybody, Chris. I know. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. You're drinking beer before you eat?
Well, yeah, it's game day. Dads are allowed to drink early. Hey, I don't need a lecture from my son. Thanks. I don't drink that much. Hey, what am I supposed to do in this fucking town? Go to church like all these assholes? I'm sorry. Don't swear, okay?
I don't. Superheroes don't swear.
Looks like I'm off the team.
Nah. You're cool. Like a rebel.
Hey, is your arm okay? Looks better. Anybody ask you about it or say anything at all?
Well, it kind of hurts a little.
Really? I can give you an ice pack and maybe one of my pills. No pain and no swelling. It makes me sad that you got hurt.
It's not that bad. I'm fine.
Okay. Won't bother you anymore. So you must be excited for Christmas.
I'm always excited for Christmas.
Hint, hint.
I was hoping Santa might maybe get me a new console since mine is broken?
Then Santa needs to get me a new job. It has to be a console. A basketball costs $10.
Okay. Oh, since it's Saturday, are we gonna get a Christmas tree? You said we could get a real pine.
Yes, I did, and yes, we are. But I just want to watch the game before we go, okay?
But you always fall asleep.
I won't today. And if I do, just wake me up and we'll go. Promise.
Okay. You promise?
I do. Now go take advantage of your weekend. Perfect weather outside for you to play. Whatever. You're free. Come grab me later.
Okay, what would Captain Spirit do? Those dishes definitely need a mega clean. Oh man, this is cold. I might have to check out the water heater.
Come on, come on! Oh yeah! Score! All right.
Ew, sticky beer cans. The beer can monster cannot be. Seriously? Ooh, Dad's going shopping. Let's see. What do we need?
Shoot better than that guy any day.
It's early, but I can make Dad some mac and cheese. He's too lazy, and he won't eat anything.
Damn, you're on fire.
Beginning countdown to launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fry big.
The fuck is this? Open your goddamn eyes! That was a goddamn carrot!
Boring. never seen a beaver around here. Chris, these are the most important numbers for you on this list. Oh, yeah. Cool story, Dad. Ooh, pizza.
Buongiorno. Bava's Pizzeria is closed, but if you can wait, our business hours are Tuesday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. If you would like to leave a message for Augusto, please do so.
Pizza? Ciao.
You better not be making any prank calls.
Hello?
Hi, Mrs. Reynolds. This is Chris. Chris Erickson.
Well, of course I know who this is, Chris. What a nice surprise. Are you okay? Is everything all right?
Yes, well, everything's great. I just want to see if maybe Steven could help me add more stuff to the treehouse. Like when he helped Dad build it. I want to add some booby traps.
That is so sweet. I'm so glad to see you playing outside like a real boy. Anyway, I'll be happy to let Steven know his services are required. He loves that treehouse.
Me too. Gotta keep the bad guys away.
What bad guy?
Thanks, Mrs. Reynolds.
Who do you mean?
Why is the microwave beeping, kiddo? Did you use it? Chris, I told you before that's not a toy. Now hang up.
Damn, you're on fire.
At least the forest warrior protect me from the snow ghost.
Hey, can you get that? Chris, answer the phone, please.
Yes!
Chris, answer the phone.
Chocolate. Thanks, Claire.
No.
Jeez, good job,
No!
Chocolate
No.
Hog.
Stole the ball from that piece of shit. You suck.
You don't hear the phone ringing off the hook?
Oh no, I hate going to the water eater's lair. Geez, where's the heat? I bet the water eater's sleeping again. Welcome to WHERO. Today we are honored to have an interview with the world's most awesome superhero, Captain Spirit. Hello, Beaver Creek.
Captain Spirit, when do you think you will defeat Mantroid? Mantroid is a bully and a coward. He can't hide, but he can run. We heard reports that he is putting together a team of supervillains. Do you have any message for them? We will forgive them if they don't join Mantroid. He's not worth it. We have to live in peace, or you will destroy them. That's my job. And that's why we love you. Can you tell us who your superheroes are? The only hero I have is me. That's good to know. Can you give us a hint about how you discovered your epic powers? No. Okay, do you have any final words for your audience? Be nice and always fight for the good team. Thank you, Captain Spirit, for being our hero. And now back to WHERO News.